This lesson video will guide you on how to write an introductory paragraph for your essay in your extended writing project for English 5. So far, you have gathered the information that you need for your body paragraphs for your documented informative essay. You've created your thesis statement. It's been approved by your teacher. You've watched videos about the types of introductory paragraphs. It's now time to write an introductory paragraph for your essay. Your introductory paragraph is telling the reader what your essay is about. It's helpful if you have open in another window the model introductory paragraph in the resource book in your course. Sometimes the videos are hard to see on a smaller computer, and if you have the other window open side by side, this video will walk you step by step through that paragraph. You are able to pause this video and open that other window if you need to. For your introductory paragraph, you identify the topic of your essay, provide background information, and state your thesis statement. There is a pattern to creating introductory paragraphs, and you saw that in the video. We've been working with your thesis statement. We were using a model essay, and we'll continue to use that model throughout these lesson videos, which is on high school dropouts, the reason students drop out of high school. So we're going to use that for this introductory paragraph. The first thing you need to do with your introductory paragraph is hook the reader. So you introduce your topic with a hook that grabs the attention. Here's an example. Every 26 seconds, a student drops out of high school in the United States. The next part of that introductory paragraph is where you give more specific information about the number and some general reasons why it's a problem. And then you end with your thesis statement, which is 3 major reasons students say they drop out of high school are academic failure, attendance, and disengagement. Here is the model introductory paragraph. You've already written your thesis statement. Here's the model thesis statement. You saw this in the video. 3 major reasons students say they drop out of high school are academic failure, attendance, and disengagement. So, as a writer, you need to stop and think. What's the main topic or the big idea related to your thesis statement? That's pretty finite, those 3 reasons. But what's the big idea? Our model is the causes and reasons for dropping out of high school. That's what the focus of this essay is going to be about. Think how you could grab the reader's attention. Well, in this case, we were using a fact every 26 seconds. That is still related to the topic of dropping out of high school. It doesn't address the causes, but it gets the attention of the reader. Then you provide background information about the topic before your thesis statement. You talk about the reasons and the consequences. Before we look at the introductory paragraph, know that one way to improve and expand your writing is adding descriptive words and phrases. That adds voice to your writing. As we read the introductory paragraph on the next slide, look for words that add that feeling or emotion to the writing. Then, after you write your introductory paragraph, you could go back and see where you could add description words, adjectives, adverbs, or descriptive phrases that will add that voice or feeling to your writing. Here's the model introductory paragraph. Every 26 seconds, a student drops out of high school in the United States. There's the hook with the citation from the fact. That means each minute, 138 students close the door on a system that can and should provide them with the skills and knowledge needed to become contributing adult citizens in society. Students give up on high school for a variety of reasons, and most do not realize that the decision to drop out has serious long-term consequences. There are significant individual, family, and community costs as a result of teenagers walking away from a high school diploma. Now that's that background information we talked about. Job seekers sadly discover that without a high school diploma, they face limited job opportunities and a lowered earning potential. That's a paraphrased in-text citation. While each student who leaves high school has an individual story and reason, there are common risk factors. That's the transition to the thesis statement. 3 major reasons students say they drop out of high school are academic failure, attendance, and disengagement. That's the thesis statement, the last sentence in the introductory paragraph. Now let's go back and look at some words that add feeling. The idea of students closing the door on a system. You get a visual image there of something being shut out. Giving up. Instead of leaving, the word giving up. Serious long-term consequences. Significant individual, family, and community costs. Sadly discover. And you notice all those words just add a little tweak to the description and help get across a little bit of feeling. Your assignment for this step is to write your introductory paragraph for your essay. Follow the steps to build your introductory paragraph. Complete instructions for your assignment are in this step in your course, and your teacher is available should you have questions.